Friend, today we start here a new session for UPSC journey. The Hindu analysis paper. Okay, you know in UPSC the Hindu or the Indian Express is very useful. So first you read the newspaper and here make session 9 or 10 minutes on daily basis newspaper. So here make 10 to 15 questions in daily basis newspaper. First you read newspaper, then you solve the question. Okay, first you pause the questions and give your answer with yourself, then you resume, then saw answer is correct or not. Okay, so for now we start for analyze the question number first is given, consider the following statement about the Great Nicobar project. Okay, so here given three statement. First statement is given, it include a transshipment port and airport. Okay, second is given, it may affect leatherback turtle habitats. Second, C is given, it is located in Nicobar Island. Okay, so now you pause the video, saw answer with yourself, then here given which statement is true. So in A given A and B only, B given B and C only, C is given A only, D is given A, B, C only. Okay, so here is answer is A and B only. Okay, now we analyze the second questions. You can saw in for which subject is question given. Okay, so second question is given. First, consider the following statement. Okay, given three statement. The Sompen are PBTs. Second given is the tribal council alleged FRA violations in the GNI project. Okay, the third question given, More Island has no cultural significance for Nicobarese tribe. So given whose statement is false. So now you can saw A is given first only, B is given second only, C given third only, and D given two and third only. So you can say first pause the videos, say yourself answer. In second question option C is correct. Okay, so now we saw third question. Third question is based on science and tech. Okay, so third question given, PCOS is mainly associated with. So first option is given digestive ingestion, second is given hormonal imbalance, C is given bone disorder, D is given viral disease. So you can say answer, this answer is correct is C option is correct, bone disorder. PCOS is mainly associated with bone disorder. Okay, so now we saw question fourth. It's based on science and tech subject. So fourth question given is, PCOS has recently been renamed as, so renamed as given option polycystic ovarians metabolic syndrome. B is given polydoctrine metabolic ovarian syndrome. C is given polycystic endocrine disorder, and D is given progressive metabolic ovarian syndrome. Okay, so in today newspaper you can saw PCOS is named as P PMOS. Yes. Okay, so now we can saw answer B is correct here. PMOS. Yes, now name is changed from PCOs. So now we saw fifth question, which on basis on polity, or we can say that social issue. So fifth question is given, consider the following statement. So statement given is, first is the term essential religious practice is explicitly mentioned in the Constitution of India. So second is given, article 25 and 26 are related to public under mortality and health. And third statement is given, article 26 protect the right of religious denomination. Okay, so which answer is correct? A is given 2 and 3 only, B given 1 and 2 only, C given 3 only, D given 1, 2, 3 only. But here answer is correct only A. Okay, 2 and 3, because essential religious practice is not explicitly mentioned in our constitution. Okay, so here we read sixth question. So with reference to fundamental right, which one of the following is correct? It also based on polity subject. So here given first is, article 25 is an absolute right. Article 26 applies only to minorities. April C option is given, religious freedom is subject to resource restriction. Option D is given, the constitution define essential religious practice. Okay, so here answer is given, whose answer is correct. First you pause, then you say then here then resume, find your answer. Okay, so here answer is correct is C. Religious freedom is subject to reasonable restriction. Okay, so here is option is C correct. So now we discuss next question. Okay, one by one we discuss all questions. Some question are based on statement, some is straightforward. Okay, so here seventh question is given, which statement is correct. It's based on geography. Okay, monsoon basis. So IMD has launched block level monsoon forecast. Second is given, El Nino is generally associated with weak monsoon in India. Third is given, Mithwa weather model nationally runs 1 kilometer resolution. So which answer is correct? First you find your answer. Okay, so here given 1 and 2 only, B given 2 and 3 only, C given 1 only, D given 1, 2 and 3 only. So first you say about answer with yourself. So seventh correct answer is correct answer is A, option A. Okay, first and second only. So here option A is correct. IMD has launched block level monsoon forecast, and second, El Nino is generally associated with weak monsoon in India. Third option is incorrect. So now we discuss next question, eighth. So eighth is defined for El Nino. Okay, so you can saw in newspaper. So you can saw in newspaper, here are discussed for El Nino, La Nino. Okay, so here in trend basis there are El Nino in coming newspaper. Okay, so eighth question is given, consider about El Nino, which statement is correct. Okay, so here given three statement. First is given, it generally strengthen the Indian monsoon. Second is given, it is linked with warning of Pacific Ocean's water. Third is given, origin of El Nino is central and eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean. Okay, so first you say your answer which is correct from today newspaper. Okay, based on today newspaper. So here answer is eighth is 2 and 3 only. B answer is correct. Okay, okay. So here B answer is 2 and 3. Why first is wrong? It generally extends the Indian monsoon. So it generally extend the not extended. Okay, it's weak the Indian monsoon. So El Nino, second given about El Nino, it is linked with warning of Pacific Ocean water. That is correct. So now we discuss next question. Okay, which is based on IR, international relation. So ninth question is given, which article of UN Charter recognize the inherent right of individual or collective self defense. Okay, so which article is given? So article 1, article 2 clause 4, and C given is article 51, D given is article 53. Then you can say which article related to this. So here answer is Article 51, define UN Charter recognize the inherent right of individual or collective self-defense. Okay, so now we discussed 10th question. Okay, which are also based on international relation. So 10th question is given, consider the following statement which is correct. So first statement is given, NATO follow collective defense. So second is given, Article 51 deals with self-defense, and third is given, Kellogg-Briand Pact supported war. Okay, so here whose option is correct? So 10th answer is correct is 1 and 2 only, because three option is third statement is not correct, because Kellogg-Briand Pact support war. No, it's not support. It's says ki it support for low war. Okay, so now we discuss next question. Next question is given 11th. Consider the following statement. So now we put here many questions based on statement. Okay, because in UPSC you can saw question based on statement, which is also time taken. Okay, so first in this question, first statement is given, strategic autonomy means independent foreign policy decision. Second given, non-aligned movement was linked with Jawaharlal Nehru. Third is saw state of Hormuz lies in Red Sea. It's also based on IR, because you can saw western disturbance are very fastly grow. Okay, so here given three statement. First you analyze which statement is false. Here not option, not says which statement is true. Here ask which statement is false. Okay, so here option is third. third statement is falsifiable. So 11th question solved, and now you can solve 12th. Okay, so 12th question is given, last question for today. Multi-alignment is part of India's present foreign policy approach. And second statement given, multi-alignment is source depend in only one superpower trade. Okay. So third is statement given, state of Hormuz is important for global energy trade. So here which statement is correct? Okay, so now you can saw here which statement is correct. First is given 1 and 2 only, third second is given 1 and 3 only, third is given only first, 4 is given only third. Okay, so here option is second is correct, 1 and 3 only. Okay, so state of Hormuz is important for global. Thank